Satakshi, have you seen the videos on how to find the area and perimeter of a circle?
Ma'am, I don't know for circle, but I know for a rectangle and square.
Okay, Satakshi. So maybe you will not follow this discussion. You can stay in the meeting, but once you watch the earlier recordings, then watch this recording, it will be clear to you. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Second. Yeah, you can start working, children.
Ma'am, we have to draw the diagram, right?
No, diagram is not needed. Diagram is not needed. You don't have to draw a circle and represent anything. Nothing. You can just use the formula.
No, ma'am, the diagram you have drawn for.
Oh, yeah, darling. Yeah, yeah. Table, huh? Ah, yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yes. Take the table, yes. Yeah, start working. You have 2 questions already. So start working. Don't wait for the questions 3 and 4.
Ma'am, the first one is radius, then diameter, then A is area.
Go on. Yes, then.
Then C is circumference of the circle.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen, ma'am.
But actually leave and join the meeting. I think that will help you. Leave the meeting and join again. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I can see.
Yeah. Always, whenever you have some trouble in hearing my voice or seeing the screen, leave and join. That'll help you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for solving it, we have to take a different page and put question 1 and then solve it and then fill in the dashes later.
Deepti, no, I was not at my desk yet. Tell me, Deepti, come again.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask you that for solving questions, as in for the first one, we have to take a separate page, write question 1, solve the answer and write the answer in the dashes.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I know the first question only, but I'm not so sure how to find the area.
No problem. Yeah, yeah. So what's the diameter, children? What is the diameter of the circle? If the radius is 49, what is the diameter?
49 into 2.
Yeah,
90.
so 2 times 2 into radius, 2 into r or simply 2r units. Okay, so that is equal to 2 into 49. 2 into 49, which is 98 centimeter. Very good. Then the second one is area. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. This is the formula. Pi r square square units. What is the value of pi, children?
Ma'am, 22 by 7.
22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7 into r square. R square meaning r into r. R square meaning r into r. So 49 into 49. Do we understand this?
Yes, ma'am, which will be 98.
No. 49 into 49 is not 98.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Now you need to simplify. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 49. Take one number from the numerator, another number from the denominator, and simplify like this, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so the product is 7546. So it will be centimeters square. Then about the circumference of the circle, the formula is, does anyone remember?
Yes, ma'am. 2 pi r units.
2 pi r units. 2 pi r units. What do you mean by the circumference of the circle? What do we understand by circumference of
The circle, ma'am.
sorry, the
Boundary.
correct, the perimeter. Very good. The perimeter of the circle is called the circumference of the circle. And that's given by the formula 2 pi r units. So 2 meaning 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into what is the value of r given, children?
49, ma'am.
49. Now how do we simplify? Take 7 from the denominator, 49 from the numerator and cancel. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. Do we know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we need to multiply 2 into 22 into 7. Which is 308. And it's just units, not square units. So it's simply centimeter, not centimeter square. Is this understood? Yes or no, children? Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, write down this one. Done writing this one, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. In the next one, the diameter is given to be 28 meters. Okay. So next one, diameter. Diameter is equal to 28 meters. 28 meters. So radius is half of the diameter. So radius is diameter by 2 because radius is half of the diameter. So that will be 28 by 2, which is 14 meters. Now area is equal to formula pi r squared, square units. So 22 by 7 into r square. What is the value of r? What is the value of r? What is the value of r, children?
14, ma'am.
So 14 into 14, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 44 into 14, 616 meters squared. Now for circumference, if you can recall, I've given you two formulae. You can use 2 pi r or you can units, or you can use pi d also. Circumference is equal to pi d. Both will give you the same answer.
Excuse me, ma'am, but I used 2 pi r.
That's correct. That's fine. Yeah. So if you use 2 pi r, then it is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 22 into 4 is 88 meters. Or if you use this formula, pi d, so it will be pi 22 by 7. D is 28. If you can see that, D is 28. Pi d. So pi into d. 22 by 7 into 28. So 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. And 22 into 4 is 88 meters. Write down this one, children. So area, we have only one formula, pi r square, square units. For circumference, we have two. You can either use 2 pi r or pi d. If you use 2 pi r, you should substitute the value of r, radius. If you use pi d, then d is diameter. But in both the cases, you should get the same answer. Finish writing, children?
Answer, ma'am.
No, ma'am, just a minute.
Ma'am, I don't understand the third question.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yeah, all of you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the third one, the circumference is given to be 704 millimeter. 704 millimeter in the third one. What is given? Circumference is given to be 704 millimeter. Correct? So under circumference, you should write the formula to find the circumference. So circumference is nothing but 2 pi r, or circumference is nothing but pi d. You can write any one. You can write any one under this. So if you write circumference is 2 pi r, 2 pi r is equal to 704. If circumference is 704, that means 2 pi r is 704. So now under 2 pi is 22 by 7 into radius we don't know is equal to 704. You must write this equation and work with that. See, first I wrote C is equal to 704 millimeter because that is given. Then under circumference, you must write the formula to find the circumference. So 2 pi r is equal to 704. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 704. Now r is equal to, what will happen to 2 when it goes to the other side? It will become its reciprocal. 2 meaning 2 by 1. It will become 1 by 2 on the other side. And 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22 on the other side. Can you recall that? 2 is 2 by 1. So on the other side, it will become 1 by 2. So you must write this R is equal to 704. Write this as it is. R is equal to 704. Write that. Now this 2, when it comes to the other side, it will become 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. And this 22 by 7, when it comes to the other side, it will become 7 by 22. It will become, the numbers will become their reciprocals on the other side. You must write this R is equal to 704. So here R is equal to 704. And then this one, when it comes to the other side, here, after the equal to sign, it will become the reciprocal 1 by 2. And this 22 by 7 also, when it is transposed, it becomes 7 by 22. So now simplify. Now you should cancel. You can divide actually 22 by 704. See here, you can divide 22 by 704. What will you get? 22 divided by 704. So 22 3s are 66. 4 is a remainder and 4 comes down. 22 2s are 44. 0. So you can see that it's 22 1s are and this is 22 32 times. Understood, children? And now again you can take 32 and 2. How can I cancel? How can I simplify 32 and 2?
Ma'am.
Yeah. So 2 1s are 2 16 times. So 16 into 7. What is 16 into 7?
Ma'am, 16 into 7 is 112.
Yeah, millimeter. So like this, we find the radius. The radius was not given. This is how we find the radius. Now, how will you find the diameter? After finding the radius, what is diameter? Diameter is equal to?
Radius into 2, ma'am.
Yeah, 2 times radius. Radius into, you can write radius into 2. That's also correct. You can also write radius into 2. That's correct. Or you can write 2r. 2 times radius. Huh?
Do we have to put all the arrows?
No, 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 no. If you want, you can do it with a pencil, but when you're writing in the exam, you need not show all that.
Yes.
Just for explaining, I show.
I also had a doubt in the second question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you told that to find the circumference, we can use any one of the formulas. But then when we have to find the radius, we have...
No, I'll do it. No, I'm going to do it using both now. I'm going to do it using both. I'll do it now. You can use pi d.
Any one way, right?
Any one, yeah. You shouldn't do it both the ways. Any one way. I'll show you both the ways. So 2 into 100.
D also it's correct. If we do 2 pi r also it's correct.
Both are correct. See here. C is equal to. So look at the screen, all of you. You can also work like this. C is equal to 704 millimeters. Pi d is equal to 704. So pi is 22 by 7 into d, we do not know, is equal to 704. So d is equal to 704. 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22 on the other side. So d is equal to 22 ones are, we cancelled there. 32 times we cancelled. Okay, so 32 into 7. 32 into 7, 224 millimeters. Multiply 32 and 7, you'll get 224 millimeters. So here you will get the diameter first. So you should find the radius using this. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. That is 224 divided by 2, which is 112 millimeters.
Ma'am, but we already found a radius, right, ma'am?
Ma'am, should we write it both the ways?
Yes, you should.
Yes,
Tanya, tell me what I've done on the screen. Yeah, Tanya.
What should I do?
Yeah, no. What have I done on the meaning? What do you understand from what I've worked on the screen?
Ma'am, we have to find the radius, ma'am.
Okay, so you're given the circumference, right?
Yes.
Okay. So given the circumference, we'll have to find the radius. What is the formula to find the circumference? Or 2 pi r or?
Pi d units.
Pi d. So you can use any one. You can see I've done it both the ways. Can you do you understand that?
Yes.
So if you use 2 pi r, you'll first find radius and then you should find diameter. If you use pi d, you'll first get diameter and then you should find radius. Understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what should you find after this? So we found diameter and radius. What is the other thing we'll have to find?
Ma'am, area.
Area. Can I work it here itself, children? You please continue on your book. I'll work it here itself. So area is equal to pi r square units. Square units, correct?
Yes,
So 22 by 7 into 112 into 112. So 7 ones are tell me the product. What's the product? 22 into 16 into 112.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 39,424.
Perfect. Units?
Ma'am, square units.
Yeah, square units is in the formula. In the final answer, what is a unit in the question? What is the unit used in the question?
Ma'am, I was on mute. Ma'am, EB millimeters.
Millimeters squared.
Ma'am, just a minute. I'm not done writing yet.
Yeah, please. Done writing, children?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm just writing the area.
Yeah.
Ma'am, done.
Yeah. And in the last one, we are given area as 124.74 centimeters square. Area. In the fourth one, area is given to be 124.74 centimeters square. So what is the formula to find area? What is the formula to find area? Area of a circle.
Pi r square.
So under area, you must write pi r square. Under this A, you must write pi r square is equal to 124.74. Understood this one? Area is 124.74. That means pi r square is equal to 124.74, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So pi is 22 by 7 into r square, meaning r into r, correct? R square means r into r, okay? Is equal to, write this as a fraction. Write this as a fraction. Do we all know this? Writing 124.74 as a fraction. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute, because it's a new situation. Let me change this question. Give a simpler one. Give a simpler number so that you understand how to do it, and then you can work with decimals, children. I'll just change this number alone here. 1 minute. Or if you correct this, you can work for this number, but let me not give you a decimal number straight away. I'll give you a simpler one.
Ma'am, after we do the simpler one, we have to do the same number again, right?
Yeah, maybe when we resume in June. Yeah, not now. It's time because I have another class from 10:45 to 12:30. So I'll just do for this. Yeah. One 1386 centimeters square. Change this to 1386 centimeters square. Okay, so 1386. Area is equal to 1386 centimeters square. That means pi r square is equal to 1386. That means 22 by 7 into r square is r into r. R into r is equal to 1386. So r into r is equal to 1386. 22 by 7 on the other side will become 7 by 22. Now divide and tell me what is 1386 divided by 22. Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, I have joined the meeting again, ma'am, because I couldn't join in that phone, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Who can tell me 1386 divided by 22? Yeah, you must all be hungry. You should have your breakfast. It's time.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
63.
63. Very good. So when you simplify 22 ones are 22 63 times. So r into r is 63 into 7. Now find the factors of 63. 3 how many times? Can you divide by 2? Can you divide 63 by 2?
No, ma'am.
No,
Then by
ma'am.
3 how many times? By 3 how many times?
Ma'am, 21 times, ma'am.
Then again by 3 how many times?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
7.
ma'am, 7 times.
Yeah. So can you write 63 as 3 into 3 into 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. This 7, write it as it is into 7, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, R into, see, this is new to you. So try to understand. R into R is 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Can I write it as R into R is equal to 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21. See, there is 1 3, there are 2 3s and 2 7s, right? Can I write 21 into 21?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, did you use one of the three for the multiplication and one of the three? Did you divide the three and put it multiplied into the 2 sevens, ma'am?
Yeah. I'll rearrange for you. This is how I multiply.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, when you put R into R equals to 63 into 7, why not just do 63 into 7, which will be 441?
No, you will not know how to find the value of R. So there is something called finding the square root of a number, which you will learn only in 8th standard. Or maybe I can introduce that in 7th standard, but 6 is too early. So I will not be able to. So you can find, you can multiply 63 and 7, find the product and find the square root. But that's too early to introduce for you. So this is a method wherein I don't have to teach you the concept of square roots, but still help you to find the value of R.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't multiply. Okay, so break down 63 as a product of its factors, like what we've done here, 3 into 3 into 7. Okay, then multiply 3 and 7 and other, like pair it like this, 3 into 7, 3 into 7. Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So R into R is 21 into 21, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have like A into A is equal to 5 into 5, what is A? A is 5, no?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
A into A is 5 into 5. That means A is 5. So R into R is 21 into 21. That means R is equal to 21 centimeters. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what it is. R into R is 21 into 21. So R is equal to 21 centimeters. So now you found R, find D. D is equal to 2R units. So 2 into 21, 42 centimeter. Then find circumference because the area was already given. So find circumference alone. You don't have to find area. Area was already given. To find circumference, you can use the formula pi d or 2 pi r. Both will give you the same answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer will be 132.
Yeah, correct. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. Understood this, children? You need to practice. See, you can, maybe you understand, but it's not easy to remember the procedure. You have to practice for that.
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding and remembering are two different things. So if you're able to, comprehend whatever you hear. Now I'm talking to you, you're hearing something. If you're able to understand whatever you hear, that is one part of learning. The second part is repeating, practicing to remember whatever you've understood. Only then you can retain that information. Without practice, you cannot retain information. So simply attending classes, you will be introduced to new things. Things will be made to understand. It may be clear, but whatever is understood and whatever is clear cannot be retained in the memory for a long time. To retain, you have to practice. So that is your responsibility. Making you understand, making you feel comfortable with the subject is my responsibility. Retaining what you've understood is your responsibility. Yes, Ovia?
Ma'am, can you take a photo of the third one and send it to me, ma'am?
Sure.
Ma'am, you have given two types of working, right, ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah, I'm sharing the picture. I've sent it already.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, because my mother had to go for her work, so she had to take her phone, ma'am. So only, ma'am.
No problem. Yeah, I already shared. Yeah. Finish writing, children. I have another meeting at 10:45. Finish writing.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. And as we know, it's the last session for May. Happy vacations. But keep checking the messages and follow the instructions which I share on WhatsApp. All right. All right, children.
Yes.
Happy vacations.
Yes.
Have a nice time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. See you
Bye,
in
ma'am.
June.
Thank you.
See you all in
Thank
June.
you.
Yeah.
See
Thank
you
you.
again in
Thank you.
June 5th, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. See you.
Thank you,
See you, darling.
ma'am. Bye, can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
See
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, darling. Thank you. Same to you.